the church and its history. Now, the Moravians who lived here in Salem really liked music. If they wanted to listen to music, someone had to play an instrument. You change which pipes are playing, it changed the sound of the song. And I'm going to make it into a quartet. How many would be singing in a quartet?
Four.
All right, listen to the difference now.